One of the leading causes of death globally for children and young people aged 1 to 24 years is drowning. The World Health Organization, WHO, estimate that around 236,000 people drown every year. Research shows that more than 90% of drowning deaths occur in low and middle income countries, with children under the age of 5 being the highest risk. Often these deaths are linked to daily routine activities. These activities include bathing, collecting water for domestic use, travelling over water on boats, ferries and fishing. Seasonal or extreme weather events such as monsoons are also frequent causes of drowning. Through evidence-based low-cost solutions, many of these deaths are preventable. These can be prevented by the following solutions: installing barriers, controlling access to water, providing safe places away from water, such as creches for preschool children with capable childcare, teaching swimming, water safety and safe rescue skills, training bystanders in safe rescue and resuscitation, setting and enforcing safe boating, shipping and ferry regulations, and finally, improving flood risk management. Although World Drowning Prevention Day was on the 25th of July, you can still continue to help save lives throughout the year. For individuals, you can share drowning prevention and water safety advice, take swimming or water safety lessons, and finally, support local drowning prevention charities and groups. For groups, you can host public events to share water safety information, set up water safety campaigns, and to support new drowning prevention initiatives. And finally, governments can launch prevention policies and strategies, organise parliamentary discussions and petitions, and finally, commit to prevention programmes on a larger scale.